Is sold, but this is probably true for just about any car. You see, you have that cigarette lighter, and most people, they have these USB cigarette lighter converters so that you can use your USB device in your car. This one, I don't know what brand it is, but it could be pretty much any brand. You'll have problems with some electrical systems. In this case, it's the stereo. I was having like a buzzing sound on my radio, and I thought it was like a battery or whatever, but here, I got the radio on AM right now on a specific channel, and you plug this in, and you can hear that whistle, and as you take it out, it goes away. Now, this can also affect other things like your tire pressure on your tires because it uses RF. This basically creates a magnetic field of some kind that interferes with the some electronics in your car. Some higher quality ones might work better, but just be aware that if you have some engine lights and stuff, you might want to pull this out and then drive the car and see if the engine light goes out, or if you have sounds on your radio like I just had, it might be this device.